Here's some reasons you might want to add a microwave cabinet in your build. This will keep your microwave safe, stable, and tucked away so you don't have to worry about it flying off a counter or where you're going to put it in the van. Having a dedicated microwave cabinet also creates a really nice sleek finish look. So because this matches my other cabinets, this looks like a really nice professional modern build. When you have a cabinet like this, you don't have to modify some kind of other upper to make this fit and hope that it works. So this will accommodate most 0.7 cubic foot microwaves. Contour, Black & Decker, and GE all have options that are commonly used in vans. And you can see because this powder coat matches all my upper cabinets, this is a really nice, sleek, polished feel, and it makes the whole van just feel like it's complete. And my microwave has a nice spot that looks integrated and finished, kind of like a kitchen in my home would. Our microwave cabinets are available on our website. You can check out the link in our bio to get yours today.